Hello guys. I hope you are doing well enough in your life. From now on, I will not use any AI voice to make you understand, because now I have decided that I will make sure of it that the voice should be natural and given by me. So now let's understand, as we are already discussing the short course of computer hardware from this optical drive. Now we will discuss how optical drive works on computer hardware. So let's go with Mission Parivartan. In a very simple language, an optical drive is like a special reader for your computer that can read and sometimes write information on CDs, DVDs, and sometimes Blu-ray disc also. Okay. So it uses a laser, which is called a kind of light. It is just kind of light to read the information on these discs, such as music, movies, or computer programs. So it is like a way for your computer to talk to or understand these special disks by using light to read and write data. So it is very simple as you think. Here, let's find out how optical drive works. Okay, first of all, an optical drive works by using a laser. Okay, laser technique to read and write information on optical discs such as CDs, DVDs, Blu-ray disc. But here is a simple explanation we are going to provide you with the help of pictures, so that you will never forget such type of content from your mind. Okay, so first of all, when you insert, okay, it is very simple language I am telling you. When you insert a disc into an optical drive, the drive's motor spins the disc at a high speed. As the disc spins, मतलब जब घूमती है, a laser inside the drive emits a beam of light. Okay. The surface of the disc has tiny bumps and flat areas. When the laser beam hits the surface, it reflects differently depending on whether it is hitting a bump or a flat area. Okay. And here a sensor, okay, a sensor in the optical drive detects these changes in reflection. The variations in reflection correspond to the data on the disc, definitely. And the other one is the drive's electronics interpret the changes in reflection as binary code 0 and 1, which represents the data on the disc. So the interpreted data is then sent to the computer, where it can be processed, allowing you to access the content on the disc, such as music, videos, or software. It is a lengthy process, but computer makes it easier for you within a just second. Okay. And here, when you want to write data onto a blank disk, the laser in the optical drive is used to heat a special dye, okay, on the surface of the disk. Okay, the other one is the heated dye undergoes a chemical changes, okay, creating a spots that can be read as bumps. As you know that we are giving the pictures with the content, so that you will get the information in your mind and fixed it in your mind. So the next one is the drive's electronic records the changes in the dye as binary code, representing the data that you want to store, okay, on the disk. So this was the information, but we are also going to discuss the after writing the data. The drive may finalize Okay, I mean to say summarize the disk, making it compatible with the other devices and ensuring that it can be read properly by the user, by the computer, by the devices you use to run the disk. So this was the information that I gave you in a very simple language. I don't think so anyone is going to provide the information in such a way. So I am thankful for you that you are still watching the video. You are the valuable asset for your life. So thank you very much for watching our video.